I tried Frame Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the Frame Wallet app, I expected a simple crypto extension, maybe another MetaMask clone. But after 7 days of using it non-stop, the shocking truth is that Frame is not just another wallet. It's a professional-grade Ethereum tool that gives you control, privacy and a level of transparency most wallets can't match. On day one, I noticed how different the setup process felt. Instead of pushing you through an account creation tunnel, Frame lets you connect your existing wallet's hardware or software right away. I linked my ledger in seconds, and the connection was flawless. By day 2, I realized how much Frame focuses on local control. It runs as a desktop application, meaning your data never leaves your computer. No hidden servers, no data sharing. That's a huge deal for privacy-conscious users who want to keep their transactions secure. Midweek, I tested how it handled dApps. Unlike browser-based wallets that sometimes glitch or disconnect, Frame integrates deeply with decentralized apps, showing every transaction detail, gas fees, addresses and contract info before you click confirm. Most people skip this review step, but that's exactly where scams happen. Frame makes it almost impossible to approve something blindly. By day 6, I appreciated the design. Clean, minimal, and built for efficiency. You can manage multiple accounts across networks from Ethereum to Layer November 11th, 2025 without ever feeling cluttered. After 7 days, the shocking truth became clear. Frame isn't trying to be flashy. It's built for serious crypto users who value control, transparency, and security over hype. If you've ever wanted a wallet that feels like it works for you, not against you, Frame might just be your next favorite tool.